Okay, let's go ahead then. You just
Yes.
see how we are creating it, okay?
Yes. That's fine.
Mhm. Yeah, click on a case type. We'll create a life cycle today. We'll see how to create a life cycle. Click on a case type. So, yeah, click on add case type. Okay, once you click on cancel, let's see our class structure, okay? Click on App Explorer. Yeah, cancel it. Click on App Explorer on the right side. Sorry, on the left side. Cake FW, cake order FW. No, cake FW, cake order hyphen work dash order. What case type or name will give? Order will give, okay? Order, work dash order, okay? That's fine, right? Cake FW,
Yeah.
cake order hyphen work order, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, you create a case type with order.
Okay.
And click on advanced, okay? If you say the advanced, you can see cake FW, cake order FW. The rule set is cake order 010101. That is a parent class. Okay, you click on submit. Okay. Now, if you see, this is the life cycle. Okay, this is the life cycle. Here, we need to we need to configure our own life cycle. Okay. Now, instead of create, you change it to collect information. You can use space here, not an issue. Collect space information. Okay. What information we need to select? First, let's collect delivery address. Okay, what is the address of what is the delivery address? You click on
Right.
you click on the step. Okay, first one is a stage. Which one you have written is a stage. The below create is a step, not that create. Green color create is there, right? You click on that. There you right click collected delivery info. After delivery info, or what shall we give? Collect a delivery address, or also you can write collect delivery address. I think
Yeah.
is okay. Next, after that, you can give after collecting delivery address. Let's collect what is the cake that user is going to order. So collect order info. You can give collect order info. Some meaningful names. That's it. Yeah, collect order info.
So this collect information, this is our, stage.
Yeah, that is our stage. Inside that stage, you have these steps. Okay, steps in the sense those screen.
Right.
Okay.
This green one,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, the first one is a screen 1, the second is a screen 2.
Okay.
Okay,
And
like
what is this create?
yeah, create instead of create, you give collect information there. That create is a flow. That is a process.
Okay.
Okay. Instead of create, you give same name, collect information.
Okay.
Okay. After collecting the order info, what you can show is like a review your order, like review order. Like in the review order screen, you will show the what is the total amount and what is the order you have selected and what is your address. Okay. After that, you enter review order.
Uh, this form step right here.
Yes. Okay. After order is reviewed, okay, you add the next stage. Okay. After order is reviewed, it will go for approval to the after you submitted you are reviewing the order. What it will go? It will go for restaurant to approve it, right? Whether
Right.
the restaurant has accepted the order or not.
Right.
You can give approve, reject.
Process name also approve reject.
Yeah, approve, reject.
It's not
Click on
clickable.
click on step first. You add a step. That is
Approve
approve,
reject.
reject. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, correct. Approve, reject.
Mhm.
Approval you can give. Approval. See, whenever you have added approval, reject, the alternate stage has came below. You can see
Yeah.
approval rejection is alternate stage. Here, approval reject. Okay, we'll configure this approval reject after some time. Like whenever we have completed, you can see on the right side who has to approve it. All those options have came. Whether it's a single level approval or multi-level approval, who has to approve it? Whether it's a specific user, specific access group. Okay, those things here it is asking, but we'll define it going forward.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay,
Collect
after
information,
approval
approve
or
reject.
reject is after approval reject is in when it is approved. Okay, we'll correct some payment information.
Right.
On the next stage, you can add like payment information. Next stage you can add, yeah. What happened?
Step is collect information, right?
No, your payment information, correct information you already given the same name. We need to give it different name here. Yeah, this is a collect information. Yeah, you are correct. Click on collect information. After it is approved, it will go for this thing.
Payment stage.
Yeah, payment info.
What should we write?
Yeah, payment
Steps
info.
name. Payment info only.
Yeah, info you give, not information. Info.
Okay.
Okay. After you have taken
Right.
a payment info, you can actually resolve the case. Okay, we'll actually resolve it. So this is our life cycle. When it is rejected, we will not doing anything here. We'll see when our configuration is done. We'll make it some more enhancements to the life cycle. Okay. Okay. Let's keep it simple in the starting. When we have completed with this configuration, we'll try to do for remaining other things. Okay. Like what is a rejection, how to do a rejection and all. Okay. You understand the life cycle, right? First, we're collecting the information from the user, like to what address we need to give, to what is the order we need to give, and we're showing the review of an order. After user reviews it and clicks on submit. Okay. Then it will go for approve reject. And the restaurant or some other person has to approve the order. And then it will go for payment information. Yeah, click on save. Okay, you have saved.
Right.
You understand it, what you have done. In the collect information, hover on collect information in the process. You click on that not a delete icon. There is one other icon, right? You click on that icon.
Mm-hmm. Configure process.
Yeah, you click on that not a delete icon. You have one more icon, right? Flow kind of. Yeah, click there. You click on the open process on the right side. Right side, you have open process, right?
Mm-hmm.
See, PEGA has created a flow for your stage.
Oh, right.
You understand? Whenever you have
Mm.
configured a life cycle, one stage is nothing but a flow. Whatever the collect information you have given there, that collect information is each screen that is an assignment shape. Green color
Okay.
thing is there, no? That is an assignment shape. Okay, whenever you are modifying anything over a flow, you will lose the capability to modify in a life cycle. Like you have to make modifications either in a life cycle or in a flow. When you are making changes to a life cycle, you cannot make a changes to a flow. If you are making changes directly in a flow, then you will lose the capability to make changes in a life cycle. It will not accept it. You have to make changes only in a flow.
Correct. You want to say like here directly we should not change anything, right?
Yeah, people generally what people will do is like they will only change in a flows, not in a not in a life cycle.
Mm-hmm.
You understand what I'm trying to say? Is like whenever you create a case, PEGA will invoke this flow. So PEGA is invoking the flow directly. So people will make changes to a flow directly, not to a life cycle.
I mean to
Right.
change here only, right?
Yeah, you will change here only, not in a life cycle. From now,
Correct.
whenever you're configuring anything, you will change directly in a flow.
Correct.
But just for understanding purpose, what I'm trying to say is like one stage is one flow. If you click on the second stage, you go to your order case type. Go to your order case type. Click on stages and steps. On the left side, you have stages and steps, right?
Down.
Stages.
Down. No.
No,
Blue
no.
color button is there, no? On the top of start shape.
Okay.
Top of
Next
it.
to top of that. Yes.
Yeah, click on state.
Oh.
You click on the approve reject process. Similarly, approve reject. Yeah, you click on that and click on open process. Okay. See, there is an approval smart shape it has added.
Mm.
Approval smart shape. You try to open that. Okay, approve sub process. See, inside it has configured everything. See, whether it's a single level approval, if it's rejected, where the flow has to go and all. You understand?
Yes, yes.
If you want to make any changes, you have to make it directly in a flow, not in a case type. Why we are doing like that is like generally people will do the same thing when you are configuring in a real-time application. Okay. And one more thing I need to tell you, like few applications will not have case type itself. Case type itself will not have. They will not have life cycle. You cannot see life cycle for that application. How actually they will create a case? What people, the architects will do, they will directly create one flow. They will make it as a starter flow. Starter flow in the sense they will make it as a primary flow. Okay, I'll tell you, you don't confuse. Okay, what I'm trying to say is like whenever you create a case, even if life cycle is there, PEGA will invoke the flow only in the background.
Mm.
So generally for some applications, what people will do, people will not create life cycle itself. They will create directly a flow rule and they will invoke that flow rule. Okay, you got it. Yeah, so flow is the main thing where you have to make your changes and all to actually replicate on a user portal. Okay. Any questions till now? You have created a life cycle. PEGA has created a flow for that in the background.
And in this flow, we can change anything we want to.
Yeah, going
add or
forward,
modify.
we'll make changes to a flow, not to a life cycle.
Correct.
Okay. But once you started making changes here, PEGA will not allow you to make changes in a case life cycle. You have to make changes here only every time.
Oh, okay. Once we are submitting and once we are saving and
Yeah, once you are
finalizing.
making modifications in the flow level,
Yes.
you will not be able to make changes in a life cycle level.
Life cycle level. Yes, correct.
You understand? But
I
it
mean,
will
it
be
will be
updated
locked.
there.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes.
Any questions?
No, got it.
Okay, click on cancel. Okay, now let's say there is no private editor. You click on your case order rule set. You have a rule set, right? Cake order 010101. Yeah, click on that rule set. Go to security. Security. Yeah. Use checkout, that checkbox is there, na? Yeah, you keep that and save it. Save it. Why I'm doing this is like you will be having check-ins and checkouts, or else you will not, you will be confused. Okay, you have to, in every application there will be code check-ins and checkouts. Okay, without check-ins and checkouts, people will not work. Like it is not a best practice to work. Scroll to the top, open your flow rule, any flow. Yeah, open that, refresh it, actions and refresh. See, you observe there is a save now. You will get checkout. Refresh. You got to check out. So whenever you need to make any modifications, you need to check out. Okay. Then only those you can able to make modifications to the rule. Do you understand it? What I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Go to the
Yes,
other
yes.
flow also, refresh it. See, go to other flow. No, second one. Second tab. Yeah, this one there is no checkout. Right? Now you refresh it, you will get. Okay. Now, if you want to make any changes, you need to check out the flow. You need to make changes and you need to check in the code. Whenever you check in, then only the code changes will be applicable to all the other operators. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you check out this flow. Okay. Let's make a flow level changes. You check out. Yeah. Let's make a changes.